What's up, everybody? We're going to talk about OneDrive. OneDrive is kind of like Google Drive or Dropbox or any of those cloud-based drives where you can store all your files and have them synchronize. So just like in Google Drive, you can actually download OneDrive and have it running on your computer, just like I have here. So you can see when you install OneDrive, you have a OneDrive, a folder on your computer that synchronizes all these different files, which is really cool. Because if you don't have access to the internet for some reason, well, you still have this synchronized on your computer. So this is actually one app that I actually want to download. The other ones you can use on the web-based versions, but this one you can download because it's kind of neat to be able to drag any file into the OneDrive and have it backed up automatically. That way, anytime I need to refresh my computer or switch computers, it's all synchronized. So here's OneDrive. If you go to portal.office.com, it's this one here with the cloud icon. When I click on it, it'll take you to OneDrive for Business. That's what it says. And it shows you exactly the same folders and files that are on my computer here. So if I delete something on my computer, it'll also be deleted here. If I delete something online, it'll also be deleted from my computer. So it's all synchronized. And so if you have multiple computers, all with OneDrive installed, which you can do, they'll be synchronized across all those computers. So you can work on one Word document, and every time you save it, it'll synchronize automatically, and then the same version will be on every device that you have, including your mobile devices, which you can also install the OneDrive app on. All right, so this is OneDrive. Same thing with the other cloud-based drives that you know about. You can click on it and you can share and do all these other things that you can do on those. That's pretty much it. Once you organize your files, I like to keep all my files and folders organized nicely. And typically for my OneDrive, because we're still using Delta Learns, the Google side of things for students, I have all my lessons and worksheets on Google Drive because that way I can easily attach it to Google Classroom. For my OneDrive, it's all my other work stuff that I do for ProD or with staff and that kind of thing. And so I have two cloud services where I store files: Drive for all the student stuff and OneDrive for all the other work stuff. So that's pretty much it. You can access it from, again, the portal. You can access it, I think, from this waffle. Yeah, from the waffle. Or this is actually one that I recommend that you download. So to download it, you go down here to the bottom left corner. You click on Get the OneDrive Apps, and then it'll allow you to download it. You install it on your computer. You can also install it on Android devices or Apple devices, and then you have your files everywhere you go, which is pretty neat. And that's